What's up everyone, my name is Cracka. Welcome back to Cracka TV. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to make more relatable music. You wanna make your music work for you, right? I learned a long time ago that we're always gonna work hard, so the key is to work smart. Now when you put out music, there's a big investment. You're spending your time and energy and money on a beat, recording, mixing, and mastering, whether you pay a videographer to shoot a music video. Then when it comes to marketing, this is the key here. With marketing, you always want to trigger an emotion in your audience, right? And your customer. You always want to bring up a pain point in marketing when you're trying to sell something. So when it comes to music artists, what you're trying to push and sell is your song, that's your item that's for sale. So the best way to connect with people, listeners, viewers, potential fans, is to trigger a certain emotion. So I have a clip that I'm gonna play from a few months back where we were driving to Pittsburgh and I had a friend of mine who's a music artist and he had just put out a song that was called Goodbye.
Why the great ones always have to die? It's so hard saying goodbye.
Now the song Goodbye was a sad song. It was about people passing away, RIP to your loved ones. And right before this clip started, he was telling me about all the different comments and messages he was getting from people that found him through this song, and they connected with him. Like they were fans now, and they were telling him like, yo, this song helped me get through a tough time. When I listened to the song, I thought about my friend, or when I listened to the song, I thought about my mom. And like they loved the song so much because they connected with it, because it was a specific emotion that he triggered in people when they listened to this song and watched this video. I'm gonna show you guys the video here.
When you make songs, you make good music, right? But if it's not like a specific emotion that you want to trigger in someone, like that song was called Goodbye, about someone dying. That was specific. And then the same thing with me. Like right now I know whatever video we film, the content's always gonna be high quality, engaging shit, but I have to title it a specific thing for it to get seen by people. So it's like the same thing with you. You have to make a song that's like sad. Because if you just make a song, like song that we're shooting a video to is just like a song, right? So you're probably not gonna get no DMs where it's like, bro, this song changed my life or shit like that. So that's where it's like, we're in the same boat. Basically, if I was you and I'm making music, I wanna have like those home run songs where, let me make a song that's about like heartbreak. And that's all I'm going for with this song. Then let me make this song where all it's about is death or feeling alone or anxiety or depression or...
No, and what you saying that yesterday, I was trying to come up with, like, it's going to happen, because I'm even going to name my CD that Heart Vacant. Like I said, I'm happy as so I don't know if I'm going to do no heartbreak song. No.
So what I found myself with shooting music videos for artists, sometimes when an artist sends me a song and I listen to it and I just think like, I mean, like, it's a good song and all, but it's just kind of, you know, they're saying a little bit about this, a little bit about that. Like when I listen to it, I don't have a specific thing that comes to mind or a specific feeling. And with songs like that, it's actually hard for me to shoot a music video too. So I feel like it's the same way with a fan when you're pushing your music or marketing your music and you're lucky enough for them to stop doing what they're doing and they give you a chance and they listen to it, and if there's not a specific feeling or emotion that they're feeling within maybe 10 or 15 seconds of listening to your song, then you miss out on that opportunity. So if I was to start making music tomorrow, what I would do is I would pick out a beat, and I'm not saying be cheesy as hell and make like the depression song, the heartbreak song, the happy song, the angry song. Like, don't do that, but just think about, like, as you're writing the song, have the listener, the fan in mind. So it's like you're writing their song. If I made a song and all I was talking about was Cracka does this, Cracka does that, Cracka this, Cracka that, who's gonna ride around and bump that song and feel that in their heart? Like, Cracka, that's it. If I made a song that was about, I just got paid, man, it feels great, and the beat gives you a good, cool vibe, anyone out there that listens to that type of music, when that song comes on and they get their paycheck, they're gonna turn up that song that I made right there. This is the feel-good song, the I just got paid song. You want people to say like, this is my shit, I can relate to this, like I love that song. Think about it like when you go to church and you're like, man, I felt like the pastor, he was like speaking to me. When people put on your music, it's like you're telling your story, but you want to be relatable to people. As I was saying in the clip, myself with YouTube videos, I know that I'm gonna go all all out and do my best to provide good quality content every single time I make a video, but people will only find it if I use specific words or if I'm talking about a specific thing or problem that people need help with. I'm making this video with you in mind. You're probably a music artist and you want your fans to connect with you more. You want to have more fans. You want your music to get heard by more people. And the easiest, best way to do that is to make more relatable music. All right, you guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it helped you in any way, shape, or form, do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what other questions you guys have that you want me to cover in future videos. I'm going to put a video on the screen here where I speak about why you should stop going to the studio and what you should be doing instead. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you guys next video. Cracka TV. We out. Bam.